Hey, I hope you are all well. I filmed this video quite a while ago. It is my first ever full custom door repaint. It is not the best attempt, but I can't help but like it as the process has taught me so much. I am yet to establish my own style, but I know I am not too fond of Monster High dolls. I feel all Monster High custom dolls tend to look the same. No offense to all the talented doll customizers out there, you are all doing a wonderful job and much better than me. I hate glitter, especially on dolls. The removal process is such a chore, it's just too stubborn and it gets everywhere. There is nothing I hate more than doll heads that are filled with gooey, goopy glue. I always seem to come across this issue with Monster High dolls. This makes rerooting an even bigger nightmare than it already is. I don't really care for Monster High doll bodies either. Wow, I am such a Monster High doll hater. I created these pink braids off camera as setting up the camera to show you the process whilst doing it takes forever. Sorry, but I believe I have shown it before in my other videos. I also sealed the reroot hose off camera using a DIY paint and glue mix. You can choose to keep the holes, but I want it to look more natural, more realistic like scalp. This might sound hard to believe, but gluing braids to a doll's head is a tedious task. To be honest, doll customization is a tedious hobby. It requires a great deal of patience. However, I do find it therapeutic. I might start sharing paintings on this channel. Are you interested in watching me paint? With all the policy changes on YouTube, I just feel compelled to diversify my content. I've always been pretty open to this as I did create Sybil Crates to share my arts and crafts work. What do you want to see? I decided to paint this dress because it's blue and I need a pink dress. Halfway through the custom, I decided to create a monochromatic pink doll. So I mixed fabric medium with acrylic paint. This stops the acrylic paint from stiffening the dress as well as cracking. The paint mix felt so gross against my fingers, so I decided to use gloves when it came to doing the second layer. Mr. Superclear, also known as Mr. Unpredictable, was my choice of sealant. He works when he wants to, and when he does work, he does a good job. However, during this project, he decided to betray me. The layers kept on drying shiny, even though this is the matte version. I believe I had to make up to 20 layers. I stopped counting after 10. The final doll is interesting, slightly lackluster, but incredibly shiny. I really like the highlighter as well as the golden pink eyeshadow. You can clearly see their eyes and mouth, so I've done a good job as far as I'm concerned. This will be the first of many repaints I plan to share on this channel. I look forward to working on my skills and perfecting the craft. Have you attempted to repaint a doll? If so, how did it turn out? Please subscribe to this channel and share and like this video. I am almost at 1,000 subscribers, which is crazy because I remember having 19 and feeling proud. I would also like to thank everyone who has subscribed already. Your support is appreciated. Thank you.